What is heart failure? Why is your heart failing? What can you do to improve your symptoms and prevent hospitalization? Heart failure is a condition in which the heart does not pump well. This causes the heart to lag behind in its job of moving blood throughout the body. As a result, fluid backs up in the body, and the organs in the body do not get as much blood as they need. This can lead to symptoms such as swelling, trouble breathing, and feeling tired. If you have heart failure, your heart has not actually failed or stopped beating. It just isn't working as well as it should. What causes heart failure? Mostly heart attacks and blockage of vessels around the heart. Less commonly, things like long-standing high blood pressure, infections, heart valve diseases, etc. What are the symptoms of heart failure? If your heart does not pump well, at first you might have no symptoms, but as the condition gets worse, you may feel tiredness or weakness, or you may become lightheaded or dizzy. You may also experience trouble breathing, which makes you need extra pillows at night for sleep, and also to be less active during the day. You will have episodes of racing heartbeat during activities and at rest. And lastly, you may see swelling in your feet, ankles, and legs, or in your belly. Now, let's answer this question.